On the 10th and 11th of May 2017, Fit for Health organized an international strategy training regarding the exploitation of EU project results in Prague, capital of the Czech Republic, one of the EU 13 countries supported by the project.
It's a big honor and a big opportunity for us to bring some more knowledge to the Czech Republic, knowledge about commercialization of research results with focus on IPR and their production, as well as the field of biotech and health.
We have interviewed one SME from the Czech Republic, participant in the training organized by Fit for Health 2.
PrimeCell is a R&D-based company and dedicated to regenerative medicine, cell therapy and tissue engineering. In the last period we invested approximately 45 million euros and at the time being it seems to us that at the national level it's a little bit not enough competitive. So that's the reason why we are also here, because we don't have enough let's say experience on the international level of cooperation and also on international cooperation in European projects.
For the companies interested, Fit for Health 2 offers mentoring and coaching by giving first orientation to SMEs and advice for the development of their long-term strategies. 30 companies have benefited from this scheme, and as a result, 5 mentors and coaches give their overview of the support that the SMEs need in order to participate and valorize their project results.
Results generated within Horizon 2020 are usually still early stage. So there is a need for further investment to take them to market. That's why a proper intellectual property management and innovation management activities come into the game. Usually, IP management in Horizon 2020 is based on 4 pillars. First of all, you have to capture the results, the background you bring into the project or the new results generated within the project. Secondly, you have to protect the results, and the next step would be the assessment of results. And finally, you take the results to further dissemination and exploitation activities. That's why it's important that from the very beginning in Horizon 2020 that you have such arrangements in place, that you have proper work packages defined to take care of those initiatives.
Integrating a strategic approach for companies to identify their gaps for accessing and implementing H2020 projects is key for their sustainable development.
As we assess the business plans and coach the SMEs here in Europe, quite often what I see is that people have a very classical view of where the market for their product or service is. They focus on the European and the Asian or the American market, and accordingly they protect their intellectual property in a very limited way. What we can do is actually open their minds to access international markets outside Europe. The advantage to that is quite often you have cheaper production, you have easier access, faster registrations and certifications. With the money earned, there can be reinvested to further the product development for Europe. So Fit for Health can help to access the partners outside Europe, to assess the market needs and to see how the company growth can be accelerated.
Companies need to understand what is meant by the market and how the market is quantified so that they can determine their own value. The market is determined by the amount of patients that can be given a certain therapy or the users of a certain product. And the amount of sales is something that is publicly available, so they need to understand that it's not obscure and that they just need to find this information.
So the issue of support to me in valorization of H2020 projects comes down to their understanding of the ability to construct a concise and indeed precise business plan. They need to understand, and I think they have better understood, market need and the capability of their own core strengths in helping develop their particular business project for scope for commercialization.
For more information regarding the Fit for Health 2 project, please visit our website